Okay, guys, let's play this really beautiful girl. Let's play this dream house we made. We have her this one. You're gonna get
Magagawa yung ginawa mo, babe.
just
Yung sa work. Yung mo sa'yo. Mamaya na yun, babe.
Okay, we'll just eat her. Okay, the kitty, her toy.
Papatuloy.
Here we go.
Mamaya na yan. Ito muna.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung nakalagay entrepreneur. Tapos,
Okay. Sabi ko bakit? Sabi ko.
Gusto ko nakalagay dito. Online
Okay,
seller,
we got just
entrepreneur.
okay, what? Okay, so we gotta eat. Nom 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 nom. Okay, okay. Okay, tawa. Nom 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 nom.
Ano to?
I-edit mo lang.
Saan? Wala. Sorry. Okay.
Job title.
Ito sa'yo. Oh. It's just gonna reel her. There you go.
Oh.
So we're gonna eat. Nom 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 nom.
Work at.
Okay, she will go to wash her purple.
Parating sa'yo eh.
Ano ba?
Okay.
Ay, ang tanga.
Ang gusto ko na nakalagay dyan.
Okay.
Online seller / entrepreneur.
This one. And this.
Ito nagawa yun.
She will gotta say.
Nagawa ko na yun dati.
This one. Great. She will gotta sorry.
Ito na nga ako online seller din eh. Gusto ko, lagi mo pagsasamahin na yung dalawa.
Really, Bill.
Online seller and entrepreneur.
Okay, tawa. Okay, there you go. Okay. This is her slippers. Why she wear it? Okay. This.
Ito.
Slippers.
Nakalagay sa'yo, di ba?
This is her slippers.
Add work experience. Wala ako.
So you wear it.
Kasi at bakit meron nakalagay sa'yo?
Ayan lang. Freelance online.
Paano?
Okay, she wears now.
I-search mo.
Okay, walang video nagsasalita ako. Okay, so she'll gotta wear this stand. She will help this stand.
Ano, nilagay ko dito.
She'll
Online
stand
job
while
and
I wear
freelance.
this stand.
Freelances or freelance online. Job title. Sa job title.
Okay, she will gotta go to sleep again for her couch. So she'll gotta go sleep 2 hours later. Tignan mo ate. So,
Nakalagay
we
sa'yo?
gotta back this
Bakit
pillow.
kailangan kong gayahin yung
And this
freelance
pillow is back for the couch.
Ayan, ganyan. Ganyan.
Okay.
Nag-ano lang naman ako ng isang
And why is moon? Why is dark? I will close the window. Here you go. And she will gotta sleep for a while. Really quiet. Bye bye. Click and subscribe for our channel.